Go ahead, get your ball. Get your ball. Ralph. Ralph. He won't just hold it in his mouth. Come here.
Did you get enough of it?
Give me this, pup. Oh, good boy.
Shauna liked that.
He just wants to chew it up. It smells good. You know, like it would smell good to a dog.
Mm-hmm. He's very sensitive.
He's like chewing on the mustache bits. He won't put the ball in his mouth.
He's eating the handles.
This part, Ralph. This part, Ralph.
Is he getting it?
A little bit. Good boy.